Who are you letting into your house? Here at the Trusted Toolbox, we train our guys, we background check our guys, and we make sure that whoever shows up at your house isn't going to be too spooky. We want to make sure that the people coming into your house are reputable, and that's why we do what we do at the Trusted Toolbox. So don't let those skeletons come out of those closets and help you in your home, because we can help you with everything, including your closets. We can help you with all kinds of things around your home, including that wood rot repair. You probably have seen those Joro spiders all over the place. They're spooky and they're crazy things out there. We can't help you with them, but we can help you with all the other stuff around your house. Drywall repair, getting you ready for the holidays. Today is the day you need to be thinking about what it's going to be like in November and December. You need to give us a call at the Trusted Toolbox because we can help you out with a number of great things. The trends I'm seeing right now are people are looking for more open floor plans. They're looking for more simplistic designs and styles. So we can help you with that and guide you. We have partnered with a number of vendors who have helped us understand these styles, and we go out and do field visits and check on things. So we're doing the research to help you make sure you don't have a scary experience. Thanks again for all your participation and helping us out here at the Trusted Toolbox, and we look forward to helping you have a spooktacular Halloween.